Welcome to the fascinating world of particle physics. In this video, we'll explore how scientists classify the tiniest building blocks of matter, the elementary particles. From baryons and mesons to leptons, we'll uncover the families that make up our universe at the most fundamental level. All particles fall into two categories based on their intrinsic spin: fermions and bosons. Fermions have half-integer spin, like 1/2, and obey the Pauli exclusion principle. No two fermions can occupy the same quantum state. That's why electrons stack into shells around atoms. Bosons, with integer spin, don't mind sharing states. This property allows photons to pile up into a laser beam, or gluons to bind quarks together. Fermions split into quarks and leptons. Quarks come in 6 flavors: up, down, charm, strange, top, and bottom. They carry fractional electric charges, like +2/3 or -1/3, and interact via the strong force. Leptons, in contrast, include the electron, muon, tau, and their neutrinos. Neutrinos are nearly massless and interact so weakly that trillions pass through your body every second without notice. Quarks never exist alone due to a phenomenon called confinement. Instead, they form hadrons. Baryons are made of 3 quarks, for example, the proton, UUD, and neutron, UDD. Mesons consist of a quark and an antiquark pair, like the pion. These particles obey conservation laws. Baryon number, lepton number, and charge must remain balanced in interactions. That's why protons are stable, while mesons quickly decay into lighter particles. Bosons act as mediators of the 4 fundamental forces. Photons carry the electromagnetic force. Gluons transmit the strong force, binding quarks inside protons and neutrons. W and Z bosons govern the weak force, enabling processes like beta decay. And gravity, though not yet unified in quantum theory, is thought to be mediated by a hypothetical graviton. The Higgs boson, discovered at CERN, plays a special role. It interacts with particles to give them mass through the Higgs field. Underlying all of this are symmetries. Conservation of energy, momentum, and charge are familiar, but particle physics also respects quantum numbers like baryon number and lepton number. These rules dictate which reactions are possible. For example, why a neutron can decay into a proton, electron, and antineutrino, but not into just a photon. So, the classification of particles isn't just a list, it's a framework that explains how matter and forces interact. From quarks and leptons to baryons, mesons, and bosons, these particles are the alphabet of the universe. Understanding them brings us closer to answering the deepest question: why does the cosmos exist the way it does?